Well, it's been a really long time since we've done anything on the channel that's 5.8 gigahertz. So I thought I'd start with a little bit easier, more tame, something a little more docile and beginner friendly here, a little more forgiving. And this is a little Eachine indoor race drone. It comes with nice sized brushed motors, of course, but it's a ready to fly unit under $50. That's amazing for something that comes ready to fly, with a really nice radio with a lot of cool options like anti-flipping mode. So if I get turned over, I can hit a button and it should help flip back over. That's awesome. Helps save you a few times from having to chase this around. You can also change your channel and bands of the drone, that's the video signal channel, from the radio right here. There's a channel button and a band button. We've got flight modes. It's all looking like a really cool little setup. Did I mention that if you use our link in the description box below, if we happen to like this and we recommend it for you guys, there's a setup right now that comes with the radio, the drone, and 3 flight batteries. These are single cell little Molex connector. They're universal plugs, 500 milliamp little batteries. So that's awesome that you get 3 of those for that price. The setup that we have comes with these goggles. Now, just looking at them, you can kind of tell they're small, even for box goggles. And if you're a person that doesn't wear glasses, they fit okay. But even as an adult, I feel like, you know, I've got light leaking in and it's just not super comfortable. So hopefully, if you're in this hobby at all, you've already got your FPV goggles. And if you do have, well, you might have something like this. Abby's Fat Sharks are the ones we're going to be using in this video. And believe it or not, I think I can actually use them now. My buddy Mike gave me a couple diopters to install in here. And from what I've seen so far, it looks really good. So Abby, you might be sharing the FPV goggles with me moving forward, because I'm tired of wearing those giant shoe boxes on my head. So crazy that little $5 diopters are going to help me out so much. I really want to get back into 5.8 gigahertz FPV. It's no secret that it's been probably over a year since we've done anything with race drones on the channel, and you know, it just became, to me, what felt like very overwhelming. It almost felt super competitive, and if you just didn't know everything that there is to know, as some people might claim, you know, we certainly don't. It was hard to keep up with airplanes, trucks, race drones, GPS drones, and all. So something had to give, and I think one of my favorite things, unfortunately, took to the back burner. I really want to get back into it in 2020. What a great way to start something with race drones back on the channel. No promises, just what I'd like to do. Well, I'm excited. I know Popeye's excited. Hopefully you guys watching don't dislike happy little cute dogs that look like Chewbacca chasing drones. He'll probably bark a little bit when we first get it in the air, but I'm excited. Let's put this in the air and see if we can get a 5.8 gigahertz video out to you guys. I'm pumped. I will say, if you happen to have these little Eachine VR006 goggles, I mean, for a fun little toy, the picture quality is really good. It does look great, but it doesn't fit my face very well, so weird FaceTime. No one ever sees me without my glasses.
I don't know if YouTube has ever seen you without your glasses.
Oh my gosh, this is so awesome that I can actually see Popeye crystal clear. What's up, buddy? Are you ready for this? I hope we're on the right channel. It could be off slightly because, let me see here. If I hit band, you know, now I've lost it. So see, it's really cool that you can actually change.
Why did you hit the button?
It's okay.
You'll never.
It's okay. We're coming back. There, we're back. We're back. Okay. It's cool. Hopefully we're on the right channel. I just wanted to make sure we had the strongest one. I want to save you guys 30 seconds here. Okay, we're back. I actually think I found a slightly stronger. I think this was off by 1 channel because now I don't have any lines going through my video. So I think we're good. I think this is actually the strongest one. Okay, there's an auto start. Popeye's gonna bark. By bark, did I mention he would go absolutely nuts? Well, this, I think it's in kind of like altitude hold-ish mode, because I'm giving it a little bit of throttle and it's not going up, so look at that RT truck collection. This is amazing that I am using your Fat Sharks and I can see. I am crazy happy right now. Oh my gosh.
It only took us forever to finally get you some.
And you know what?
And that was only because of a friend.
Yes, that's right.
Hey, don't fly right in front of the mic. You're killing them.
Oh, sorry everybody. Well, it's a good flight path, and for some, I've not flown for so long. I want to put it in a different flight mode here. So that's just higher rates, I suppose.
Sounded like it. 2
Yeah.
beeps.
And 3, so highest rates. And I think our altitude hold is off now. But we still, okay, it's like
Watch
acro.
out, Popeye.
It's like acro mode basically in that mode. So I'm not ready for air mode or acro mode. Not indoors. That's neat that it has it though. I'm very content in mode 1. I feel like I'm flying around fast enough for sure. Sorry I keep flying by everyone's ears. But I got this. This is awesome. I'm back. I am back flying. Little mini whoop, FPV race drone stuff. Awesome. Look at that picture quality too for 5.8 gigahertz. This is great. Nice. Savvy, we're gonna have to get a second one and race these around. This is, you know.
You're gonna have to get somebody who got better goggles.
Yeah, me or you are gonna have to upgrade, huh?
Yeah, I guess I'll upgrade.
I'm happy with this. These are nice.
The new version of those goggles are green. They look pretty good.
I feel like I need to move the right little, not a diopter, but the little lens adjuster. Stuff's fuzzy on the right side. There we go, that's a little better for me. And it didn't look any different for you guys, I know. So, let's see what we got going on here. We got some TheRcSaylors stickers on the ground. We just ordered a bunch more stickers for our patrons.
Popeye's kind of scattered them.
And we've got a low-seat truck here, a low-seat desert buggy. We just did a video on that.
It's still broken. We gotta order the parts. Order
the parts, that's right. This is fun. Look at that. I got you, Abby. I got you.
Don't get my hair.
I got you. Yow! Sweet. I think, okay, so we're going to definitely do the second battery because I charged them both. And on the next one, maybe we'll adventure upstairs a little bit. It's been a while since we've done, like, house flying adventures. This is fun. I feel like I'm getting a little bit smoother.
Stop flying over me.
Wow, we're getting a little fast.
Not abuse your camera person.
I do love the speed on this. I'd like, although we have a pretty open room here, I feel like I could really take this thing outside, maybe in the front yard on a calm day.
Would you like me to open the door for you?
No, it's dark outside. But if you take the lights out to the backyard, yes. I'm telling you what, this is awesome. You guys get to see all the clutter. This is what it's like to be on YouTube. And actually, this is like best case scenario.
It looks pretty good. My desk needs some work. It looks like you cleaned your desk and piled all the crap on my desk.
I did not do that. I just hid it in a drawer. I hid it in a drawer before the video.
Pretty sure you piled it on my desk.
Oh man, this is awesome. So this little setup, I like the radio. It feels really good. The sticks feel good, at least for a thumb flyer. I'm not sure if a pincher would like that. But for the price on this, that is sweet. I'm really glad I changed the channel on the FPV signal because I feel like it was a crappier channel. See, when you get close to walls, it kind of sucks you in. I don't know what the range is on this.
Where are you?
Oh my gosh, I'm going upstairs. But
I think, okay. Don't wake the baby.
Yeah, I should stay downstairs.
You can fly in the living room upstairs.
This is a nice flight time too.
You can fly in the living room.
What an awesome setup. Ooh, I'm going to wait on the next battery because I don't know. I feel like we got to be getting low.
Oh, you knocked something off my desk.
Let me go inspect it and see what it was. Oh yeah, some paperwork. I see it. Whoa, Popeye, save me, save me.
He's been chasing you the entire time.
This is awesome.
He missed this.
I missed this. Whoa, whoa. I will on the next battery.
Go backwards upstairs so you can see Popeye.
Oh, there we go. Low battery. That's it. We're done. Why is it not?
R.
Yeah, you're right. Okay, do I have enough juice to do turtle? I think it's here.
Popeye, no!
There's turtle.
Popeye.
If I hold it?
Popeye, get back.
Not enough juice. Okay, that's fine. New battery time.
Look at all those stickers. Oh my gosh.
This couch is the worst. Oh my gosh. Okay, new batteries in. Popeye is clearly very ready. What do you say, buddy? I think we're going to adventure upstairs in mode 1. No! Yeah, that's nice.
Popeye get you?
No, that was the wall.
Oh.
Alright, I'm not going backwards upstairs. I'm just lucky that I've not hit the walls yet.
I think he's trying to decide if he wants to leave us or if he wants to chase the drone. Right now, Popeye.
Oh, he's still downstairs. Look, here we are. Look,
now, here he comes. Wait, no.
There he is. I saw him.
He stopped at... Oh, he's all the way?
I saw him. Yeah, he's up there.
He took
hey,
a minute.
What's up, Popeye?
Don't go down the hallway.
You guys, so we're seeing black and white now because we're losing our video quality, or maybe because it's darker upstairs. You see the baby gate we had to set up around the TV? This is the lifestyle changes we have. But the fact that I'm upstairs through multiple walls says a lot about the, the video signal. Granted, using some really nice goggles here, so that's got to help. But I'll bet you if we turned on those cheap little Eachine things, it would probably look pretty good. I don't want to go in the kitchen because I know we have a lot of dirty dishes. How about the dining room? Can I do it? Are we going to lose the signal? That's getting pretty...
Dining room?
Yeah. No, we're good. It's dark in there. The light's off, so has pretty good nighttime camera. Popeye's following around. He's like, I don't trust this thing.
There's a sleeping baby up there.
Sleeping
He's protecting her.
Can you guys believe it's been like this long? And I haven't, no, I'm going to jinx it when I say this, but no major crashes yet. Is it like riding a bicycle? I'm having a good time. I like this. This is fun. Forgot how much fun this is. And I feel like in the last year or so, at least maybe we're getting really lucky here, but the technology is great. I'm getting a really good flight time. And it flies really stable. I mean, I'm hands-free, although I feel like maybe it could use a little bit of trim. No, that's just drifting. Super stable, that's hands-free. That's awesome. I mean, I found a sweet spot, But, oh man, this is awesome. I cannot believe. I would think, $50, but with one battery, maybe. It says right now it's got 3 batteries for like $47. There's the light. Oh.
That's $47 without the goggles.
That's right, yeah, no goggles. That's making the assumption you've already got some goggles. I made it downstairs.
The walls? Sound
no,
like
I didn't. I don't think I touched the walls.
Okay.
It was so close, though.
Just the sound of the motors. There's Popeye. Good job, buddy.
Ka-chow. What's our new Amelia word?
Ka-chunga.
Ka-chunga. Ka-chunga.
We're weird.
Ka-chunga, go.
You hit the umbrella.
I did. I didn't know I was going to hit it. Oh, let's see what trucks we have on the shelf today. We'll have the, what's on the bottom there?
Traxxas X-Max.
What's by it though? The Arma. It's the gray one that does flips.
Outback.
Is that the Outback?
Or
Outcast.
Outcast.
Then we have the Creighton. The Creighton 6S, the Creighton 8S, the Creighton 4S,
That's the
Maximus,
and the Nero.
and then we have our crawlers.
2 Scout 2s.
And the
Chevy
Terra,
Suburban you haven't seen.
right? And then
the Vitara, and then the Ford F100.
Look how good that Ford looks. Look how good that Ford looks. We're getting super cinematic tonight. And we fly! Ka-chunga! This is fun. Okay, sorry for that quick little cut there. We thought we heard Amelia waking up, so I just landed really quickly and realized I probably should stop flying because we were causing chaos. The drone was zipping around upstairs. Popeye was barking. Yeah, we might want to do this when Amelia's awake. But it's crazy fun. And why does this exist? It is a tail, but it can be shifted back and forth. I don't get that.
It helps with the center of gravity and keeping it in the correct air passageway. So
this is just like do you guys remember the Dromeda Kodo? It came with pretty much this exact charger and these exact batteries, but now they're Eachine branded, and I don't know why it came with the phone holder for this transmitter. I mean, I guess they do make 5.8 gigahertz little holders that came with that. I don't know about that, but the fact that you get this drone, 5.8 gigahertz that works and has a nice, very usable signal and a very nice usable radio is amazing. This was actually easier for me to cycle through the bands and the channels on the drone than it was for my Fat Sharks. I hate finding the channel on these Fat Sharks.
On these are confusing.
They're very hard to use. We've got friends that have even tried to use these and they're just horrible. So I love that you can change the band and channel right there on that. This is a huge win for me. I could just be overly excited because those diopters actually work for me. It's opening up a whole new realm of FPV options for me, and I love that. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video because it's very different from what we've been doing on the channel, but if you go back a year and a half to 2 years ago or so, we just did a ton of drones all the time. But even then, 5.8 gigahertz was pretty rare. Mainly because it was a little discouraging for me to not be able to see without wearing a shoebox that weighed as much as having 2 shoes in the box on my face. So that's a big deal. That is a big deal. I wish there were. I need to tell all my glasses wearing friends that works. I have really poor eyesight. Those are on -6 or 6. That's the strongest pair of little lens diopters that you can get by default. You can always get prescriptions and slide them in there too. Anyway, this is a great setup. We'll have a link in the description box below. I'm just excited to charge these up again and just fly this until it won't fly anymore. That is fun. Thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you in the next video.
Bye!